Welcome to OCHE'S blog, guys, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick that you will use to get high views when the moment you upload your videos after 4 hours. This trick works after 4 hours. Don't forget, if you wait till 24 hours before you do these two things, they are just two tricks. If you wait till 24 hours before you do these two tricks, the truth is that it may or it may not work for you, but guys, I've tested it over and over again, and this is just a simple trick you can see on this video. I've used to skyrocket this video like this. Not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm here to give you what actually works on YouTube. It is so saddening that most of you must have gone through so many tutorials. You see them telling you, turn this on, turn that on, turn this on, you need to do this now. If YouTube is not recommending your video, do this now. And at the end of the day, when you finish doing all those things, results are not coming out. It's so frustrating. The funniest thing is that you spend 2 to 3 hours editing your video, and when you finally edit your videos, discover that you upload these videos, you've done all the SEOs, yet you are not getting a good result. So guys, stick around. At the end of this video, if you have any question, please do well to comment. I'm here to answer you. I'll give you a right answer. Guys, this really work, and ever since I've discovered this, look at this screenshot. It has worked for me on this video. Look at another one here. I won't lie to you, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I have about 5 monetized channel, guys, and I use most of these tricks to get my watch hours faster, get high views. So let's get down to business, guys. Right now I'll be showing you from my phone screen. I'll be showing you how these tricks works. So guys, let's go to our phone screen and see how these tricks work. So guys, I'm on my studio. So when you go to our YouTube studio, we'll now go to content. So first we are going to our YouTube studio. So now this is my YouTube studio, and guys, this is one of my videos I've uploaded back then, and I want to use it as a case study. So these videos is in one of my niche. This niche is about motivations. I also run a faceless YouTube channel. So now guys, when you look at this video, it was uploaded 79 days ago, 23 hours. I'm using this as a case study. I'll bring other videos to notice. First and foremost, when you go to your YouTube studio, just go straight to your content and then trace the particular video, click on that video, and it will now take you to this page you are seeing on my screen. So guys, after 4 hours of uploading your video, pay attention to these two metrics. The first one is impression click-through rate, and then the second one is average view duration, guys. So pay attention to these two things. So guys, most of you don't pay attention to these things, and definitely is affecting you. So the first thing foremost is impression click-through rate, like I have told you now, and the average view duration. That's the first thing you need to pay attention to. So after 4 hours of uploading your video, you look at your impression click-through rate and your average view duration, and then you compare them. Now guys, when pay attention very carefully, because I'm going to tell you a secret now. When your impression click-through rate is high and your average view duration is low, like the one you can see on my screen now, it simply means that people are actually clicking my video due to probably the title or the thumbnail is highly eye-catching and people are clicking it, but they are not watching for long. The average view is 1 minute 42 seconds, as you can see on my screen. They are not watching for long, and that's definitely going to affect your video. It may not necessarily be this video now, but subsequent time it will affect all your channels entirely, because if this keep happening, keep repeating itself, YouTube will be saying that your channel is a kind of spam, is a misleading channel, is not giving your audience what they actually want. And if this happen in 2 to 3 or 5 of your videos, definitely your channel metrics will be going down, the views will be going down, and everything will be going down, and before you know, your channel will drop down to 0 views. Even when you upload videos, you'll not be having views again. So this is the first case study. I have told you that if your impression click-through rate is high and your average view duration is low, it simply means that people are clicking, but your video does not actually represent your thumbnail does not actually represent your video. So there's a mismatch here. The thumbnail is probably a clickbait. If I look at the thumbnail, this is what is happening. I'm telling you guys from example, from what I have learned over time. So it is not they say do this, do this, do that. Now, second case study, guys. Let's look at the second one. Okay guys, let's look at the second case study. In this case study, it's another video I uploaded 71 days ago, 24 hours. When you look at the video has an impression click-through rate of 4.9% and a watch hour of average view duration of 3 minutes 45 seconds. Now when you look at the analytics, it tells us that the average view duration is 3 minutes 45 seconds with green. That means it's doing well, and then the impression click-through rate is also okay. Well, it's just like it's not going up though, but it's just okay. That's why you see that tick. If it is doing bad, you see that the arrow will turn black and it will be going down. So these are metrics that we don't need to overlook. Now in this second case study, guys, you see that my impression click-through rate is not that high, but my average view duration is going up and it's a bit high. So in this second case study, you will notice that the video has 855 views, unlike the former that have 1.9k views. Now guys, you can infer that this video actually people who are enjoying the videos, my audience are enjoying the video, but they are not clicking it as much. So that is why you have a long average view duration and then a low impression click-through rate. So when you have a low impression click-through rate, people actually are not too clicking your videos, but because they are watching for a very longer time and they are enjoying your video, you discover that people or your audience, definitely your audience, they stick around. And that's, if you look at this video very well, let's go further and check throughout this video. So guys, this video with 855 views gave me a watch hour of 53.6 hours, and 855 views. So to tell you that the watch hours is even high and people are enjoying the video, it's just that the thumbnail is not too attracting as it should be. Look at the thumbnail, guys. Don't settle for less. So the thumbnail or the title, it could probably be one of the problem, but less for me, I would say it is more of the title.
53.6 hours and 855 views. So to tell you that the watch hours is even high and people are enjoying the video, it's just that the thumbnail is not too attracting as it should be. Look at the thumbnail, guys. Don't settle for less. So the thumbnail or the title, it could probably be one of the problem, but less for me, I would say it is more of the title.
Just like I was saying, you notice that the impression click-through rate is a bit it's not high, but the average view duration is high. So what do I need to do in this kind of problem, in this kind of situation? If I want my video to perform well after 4 hours, what I will definitely do is that I will work on my thumbnail or my title. But definitely when you look at it, you know it's from my title that is having the problem. I will definitely work on my title, guys, because the thumbnail to my best is very okay, but the title, I need to work on my title, and when I work on my title, definitely the video will do well. So guys, that's let's go to. So guys, in this case study, you notice that I have a low average view duration and of 0 points. Sorry, I have a low average view duration of 56 seconds and impression click-through rate of 6.4%. That simply means that everything is low. The impression click-through rate is not too good, and then the average view duration is very poor. People are not actually enjoying the video, so they did not actually click. So that is why you see that the video only gave me 64 views. The video is not doing well. So in this kind of videos, guys, there's nothing you can do about it. You just leave it, because there are some videos that generally they won't do well. If you like, change the thumbnail, change the title, they are generally meant not to do well. So the video, even the 6.4% impression click-through rate that you see that is a bit high, is from the thumbnail that is just too attractive, probably through to the bobbies this lady have. So that could be why the impression click-through rate is even a bit high. So it's just like a spammy video, like the video is not actually representing the thumbnail. So guys, this is the last case study I really want to show you. This video actually gave me 214.1k views, and this one you can see on my screen gave me 1.2k watch hours. So guys, this I couldn't have achieved this if I didn't know this secret. So this secret came lately. So lately, after 24 hours, sorry, after 4 hours of uploading your video, you just have to know the difference. You just have to go and check your impression click-through rate and your average view duration and compare. Like I told you, if your impression click-through rate is high and average view duration is low, it means people are clicking but they are not enjoying your video, and at the end of the day there is a mismatch and YouTube is not recommending your video. That means your video has problem. It doesn't actually represent the thumbnail. What you need to do is to change the thumbnail immediately after 4 hours. Then the second scenario is when your average view duration is high and your impression click-through rate is low. That means people didn't expect that your video actually have information, but when they go through your videos, they enjoy, they watch for a very longer time, but your thumbnail is just a bit bad, or probably what is in their mind at that moment. So but that kind of video, when you give it time, it will definitely do well. And if you want it to superb and skyrocket and go viral, just work on the thumbnail or probably on the title. That's the after 4 hours, guys. After 4 hours, that's the second scenario. And then the last scenario I've told you, if your impression click-through rate is down, is very bad, or is very low, and your average view duration is very low, definitely there's nothing you can do about that video. Generally, some videos are meant to be like that. Even if you work, you've done your best, they are meant to be like that. Some will not even do well at all, so you just leave it like that rather than deleting it. And like I've told you, after 4 hours, guys, observe these two metrics and then make adjustment to your thumbnail or your title, and you see your video performing well. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to leave a comment leave a comment, and I will reply you. Ask me, I will answer you directly. Thanks for watching to this very moment. I really do appreciate.